Tired of Monster Hunter Wilds crashing just when you're about to take down that epic monster? Annoying, right? But don't rage quit yet. This video has all the fixes you need to stop the crash whether you're on PC or console. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the last fix might be the game changer you need. Let's dive in. Before we jump into fixes, let's quickly go over why these crashes happen. Corrupted game files. A single bad file can ruin everything. System incompatibility. Your PC or console might not meet the game's requirements. Outdated drivers. Old graphics drivers can cause major stability issues. Overlays and background apps. Too many running apps can interfere with the game. Overheating. High tone can force your system to shut down. Cache buildup consoles. Old cache files can lead to instability. Software conflicts. Antivirus. Third-party apps or background processes might be causing issues. Now that you know the reasons, let's fix them. One tiny corrupted file could be ruining your entire game experience. Let's fix that. On Steam, right-click Monster Hunter Wilds, select Properties, go to Local Files, and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic Games, go to Game Settings and click Verify. Let the process do its magic. Does your PC even meet the game's minimum requirements? If your hardware isn't up to the task, crashes are inevitable. Check the specs, and if needed, lower the graphics settings. Also, close those extra background apps. Every little bit of extra power helps. Your graphics drivers are like the brain behind smooth gameplay. Outdated drivers. Expect crashes. Head to NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin software and update ASAP. And if you updated recently and now the game is crashing, try rolling back to a previous version. It could fix the issue. Overlays might look cool, but they can mess up your game. Steam, Discord, GeForce turn them off and see if the game stops crashing. Also, close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Every little tweak helps. Overheating can cause crashes. If your system gets too hot, it can shut down to protect itself. Use MSI Afterburner on PC to check tongue. For consoles, keep them in a well-ventilated area. Don't suffocate your gaming beast. For console players, clearing the cache can do wonders. Power off your console completely, unplug it for a few minutes, then restart. This refreshes the system and can eliminate random crashes. If nothing else has worked, this is the last resort. Uninstall Monster Hunter Wilds and reinstall it. Sometimes, a clean install is the only way to remove hidden issues. Just make sure to back up your save data first. Try these fixes and say goodbye to crashes in Monster Hunter Wilds. If one of these solutions worked for you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. You never know when you'll need another one. Now go out there and hunt like a pro.